Alright, we have here the unboxing of the Cobra GT4 by Drive Medical. So when you get your Cobra GT4, it'll come like this on an extra long pallet. And now if you get your screw and the pallet is damaged like this, don't worry about it. As long as the box is fine, then you should be okay. But this is what it comes like. So the first thing I would do, you need a box cutter and just cut some of the plastic out right here like this. And then cut the yellow straps. Just make sure if you have a box cutter, you're really careful on your hands. The box cutter works really good. They work good if you have a sharp blade. So, I usually throw my trash on one side and put the parts on the other side. That way there you keep everything separated. So when you get your scooter like this, this box right here will come right up like this, okay? So you can see how it comes right off. So I've already got the box off. So now what do we have here? So here we have the headrest, and make sure when you cut stuff off with your knife, you don't cut any of the seat parts or anything. So you have your headrest here, and we have the seat that's sitting right here. Okay, so I'm going to take the seat off, put the seat on the ground. The seat's pretty heavy. It's a big seat and it's pretty heavy. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to take this foam protection out, put that with our garbage. We have some more protection here. We have another piece here. And we have some more plastic here we're going to take off. Okay, now we've got the tiller. This is called the tiller. So we're going to want to raise that up. Under here there's a handle where my hand is. If you push the handle in, you can see the tiller goes up by itself. Okay, so here's your tiller. So if you're over here like this, push it up, it'll go out of the way. Then you have a little bit more plastic here to get rid of. And over here is your owner's manual, your charger, and your mirrors. So everything will be in this box right here. As you can see, the keys are tied right here to the handlebar. So that's where your keys will be right here, if they pack them all the same way. And now we have a little plastic in front that we're going to take off. And we're getting there. So it's pretty much assembled. Now, first thing you would do, we want to make sure the batteries are connected. So you're going to take your keys right here that I just turned loose, and there's an ignition right here. I'm going to put the key in the ignition, turn the key on, and as soon as I turn the key on, there's no power. Okay? So your scooter has no power right now. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to take this scooter off this box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the front of this box here a little bit, here and here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the scooter in neutral, because if it's sitting like this, you'll be able to get it off the box. So we're going to put it in neutral right here. Okay? And then I'm going to roll it forward. Maybe. Okay? Okay, there's support. There's foam under the scooter. I didn't realize that. So we have foam under the scooter also. So it's sitting on some foam. Okay. Okay. So here's one. All right, so I'm not sure if that's how you want to do it. You're definitely going to need to have two people, and if you have a rubber mallet, you can have someone tip the scooter over like this, pop the foams out, and now I'm going to put it back in neutral again, see if it'll roll this time. That's in gear, this is in neutral. Okay, so I'm going to push it off. Okay, so now we have the scooter off. So you're definitely going to need help. This is not your typical little scooter. All right, now what you're going to have to do is, before you forget it, we have it in neutral, so it's rolling. Put it back in gear. Now your battery, you're going to check your battery. It's under this casing right here. So this casing sits on Velcro. So when you pull, just put your hand and you'll hear the Velcro. And you go over this rubber boot goes around the edges here. So we're going to put that here. And here are your batteries right here. Okay, you can see they're not connected at all. Okay, so there's one battery that's connected here, but this one here is not connected. Okay, so you're going to connect. I'm assuming this little guard comes off. You're going to connect the red battery, the red cable to the red cable. The black cable is already connected, so the only thing they did, they disconnected this red cable here, connected together, put it back under here like this. Turn your key. Now we see we have power. You can see we have power now. So now I'm going to turn the key off. We're going to put this cover back on. This is just a plastic cap to protect it. You don't need that. So we're going to put the cover back over. It's just solid on Velcro. We're going to put this little rubber boot back over here, and we're going to put it around this rim right here just to give it a little bit of protection. Now we've got power, we've got the scooter put together. Now what we have to do is take the seat. First thing I'll do is I'll bring this over here. That's your owner's manual. We're going to take the seat that's over here. Now this seat's pretty heavy, folks, so you're going to need some help. I'm going to take the plastic off the seat. Okay. We're going to put this in the garbage. So now we've got the seat here. What I'm going to do with the seat, I'm going to fold it down to put it on the scooter. I'm going to fold it down. Now, when you put the seat on this scooter, you can see the male piece going in there. Now, notice how I've dropped the seat on the scooter and it's not locking, okay? With a lot of these companies, what you have to do, I'm going to turn it sideways so you can see it. There's a lever here. That's your swivel handle. So before I drop the seat all the way down, okay? Let me see if I can drop this down. No, I guess.
Thank you for watching. If you have found this video useful, please hit the subscribe button below. If you have questions or need to see something else, please leave us a comment. Lastly, please sign up for the newsletter in the description below to get instant access to exclusive promotions. Enjoy the rest of your video.
It's not. So before you drop the seat all the way down, it's a big scooter here. Hold the handle up. Right here, I'm holding the handle up, then drop it. And then turn it let the handle go. So you have to let the handle, you have to put the handle up. If not, the seat will swivel all the time and you'll say, how come it's not locking? So now we've got that. We're going to put the seat back. And now the seat will turn and lock all the way around. Okay? So that's your, so remember that when you put the seat down, hold the handle, the swivels, hold it up and put the seat down, and then you're going to be good. Here's your box, and also this seat slides. You can see how it slides forward. I'm going to slide as far, this is as far back as it'll go. I'm going to open this up right here, see what kind of goodies we have in here. All right, owner's manual. I'm going to put it in the back pouch. Mirrors. So when you put your mirror on, very simple. You have set screws here inside the arms. Find your set screw, turn it on here like this until it starts turning. Till you go to the end, okay? Now, this one here stops here. Now, if I keep pushing on this to bring it to the right level, I'm going to break the mirror, okay? So what you have to do, there's a little screw here, unscrew it a little bit, okay? And you're going to have a, I don't know if it's a 1/2 inch or a 7/16, but tighten it up until, loosen it up, and then when you get it to the right position, tighten it up, and your mirror will be in the right position. So do not try to force it down. Loosen up the screw right here, pull the boot out, and then you've got your mirror. Same thing with the opposite mirror. You'll put it on. You'll put it on until it gets to the end. This one here already set up pretty good at the end, but if you got here and it was over here, don't force it here, okay? Turn this screw right here, looser with a key, and then you just set it the way you want it, like I'm doing right now with my fingers, and then it'll be set up. So do not break your mirrors. And then we have the charger. So the last thing we have is your headrest. So the headrest goes right here and right here. So and now I'm going to turn the key on. We have power, and I'm going to go forward and reverse, and it's working. All right, folks. So, and then when you're done with your mirror, put your little boots back down. So this is the Cobra GT4 made by Drive Medical, the unboxing of the Cobra GT4. You will need help for this one. Hopefully this video was very helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at Marc's Mobility. We'll be glad to help you out. Thank you. As you can see, that's 10 miles an hour. And if I let go, it brakes within a few feet. Very smooth scooter. Super smooth scooter. Nice turning radius. So if you have this scooter and you want to turn really sharp, this is what you're looking at. This is the most it will turn in a circle. So this is what your total turning circle would be. Now, this is an easy scooter to drive. When you take off, it doesn't really it takes off slow, and then you can feel the power. It just all of a sudden it takes off to the full speed, okay? So we're going to take it in my grass here. We're also going to do a little extreme. We're going to go through the back of my truck here, and you'll be able to see how it drives in the grass. All right, so we're going to go in the ditch here a little bit, give it a little bit of extreme so you get to see how it does. So, as you can see, right here we have a 3-inch a 2 to 3 inch gap right there, and they went over that with no problem. My ditch is probably 5-6 feet deep, and it had no problem. So if you're going to drive it in the yard, you can see that even over here, it's got plenty of power. It's got more power than you need. So I hope this video was very helpful, and I hope that you'll understand everything I've mentioned about this scooter. So it's an extreme leisure, high-speed, heavy-duty scooter with a weight capability of 450, a top speed of 10 miles an hour, and a weight capability of 450, and a range of about 20 up to 22 miles distance on the range. Just a gorgeous scooter. It's available. If you like what you see in this video, give us a call at Marc's Mobility. We'll make you a special deal. Thank you for watching this video.
Hi, I'm Mark. And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.